In this tutorial, we are going to go over how to create an e-commerce category that you can use to help manage your e-commerce organization. So in order to do that, we're going to go to the website module, and we are going to come into the e-commerce section here, and we'll go to e-commerce categories. Now you'll see here I already have some created, but we can come in here, we hit the new, we give it a name, and we could call this bikes. And now e-commerce categories can be hierarchical or not, they don't have to be. But so in this case, we don't have a hierarchy for it, but if we did, we could put it under any one of these, or search more. The website will default to your normal website unless you're on an enterprise plan. You have multi-website capabilities. And then this last one here is this little button is to hide it from the website. So if you create e-commerce categories and then discontinue their use, you can just come into here and click hide from the website. So this allows you to just kind of see, without deleting or archiving the category, what e-commerce categories you have. You could group by e-commerce categories in the inventory module and see what's going on there, and see which products are in which e-commerce category, move things around. So that's all this button does, is it just hides it from the website. After that, you can come back into here and see that we now have bikes in the e-commerce category. There's another way that you can do this, and it's on the fly. So what we'll do is, you could also, when you're in the inventory module, if you create a new product, and we'll just come in here and create this, and we'll call it the bike. We'll call it the big bike. And if we wanted to go into the sales module, we could come into here and we could search for bikes, and that's where it would be. Or we could come in here and also add outdoor equipment. And from here we could create and edit the outdoor equipment and do the same thing. So also, just a little tidbit of information, e-commerce categories are not a one-to-one ratio. Like, you can have multiple e-commerce categories for one specific product. You cannot have more than one internal category or point of sale category, just for your information. So there's the two different ways to create a e-commerce category.